what's up? Welcome to my channel. I'm Cielly, a cosplayer, streamer, and content creator. Last month, I finished my second Spirit Cosplay in the Reckoning skin. I really like the final result. I do a lot of work in my cosplays, and as my second Spirit cosplay, I wanted to make it as perfect as possible. The Dead by Daylight official Twitter page and Facebook shared my picture, and I was so happy about getting my job recognized by them. A lot of shares, a lot of likes, and then this happened. So here I am today, to do a makeup tutorial on my Spirit and react to some of the salty comments I got online. Well, first, I'm gonna be applying a primer. The brands of the products I'm using here will be listed in the description box below. Most of them are Brazilian, so I'll just give a general instruction on what they are, so you guys can find your own version of them where you live. Seriously, why? Do you really have to comment that on someone's picture? Pro tip, guys, never comment about how you liked another person's cosplay more than the person in the actual picture. It doesn't really make sense, and it's just hella rude. Next, I'll get a base of purple concealer, especially on my eyes and the middle portion of my face. I like to make this so if the paint fails, the purple underneath makes it not look so weird. The answer is yes. The update actually came out a couple days after the post. Some of the comments were just weird. Let's move on. Yes, work. So this is the time. Time to become blue. I use a non-toxic neon blue paint. Usually people who work with kids parties and stuff have this type of facial paint. So I was running low on my blue paint and had less than half. So I was trying to spread it as much as I could, but it will end up kind of failed in the end. After the blue paint, I'll put some purple concealer on top again to give it a dead corpse kind of look and make the blue less intense. I've heard a lot of weird stuff about my cosplay, but Smurf on Crack was the best one for sure. I'm not exactly sure what you mean by that. Thanks? Yeah, what's hard of being an overgrown Smurf wearing a Komodo? A Smurf wearing a Komodo dragon? Okay, moving on. Now I'm applying some white Pancake to try and hide the parts where I didn't have enough paint to cover and also make it more even. Oh, I'm sorry. Next time, I won't post my cosplay. What if they need to update, right? I'm sure the people in charge of updating the game were spending the whole time posting my picture. I'm so sorry I delayed it. White powder to seal the paint. So this, do you know how hard it is to paint your whole body including your hands and have to paint your other hand while the first one is still wet, and then you have to repaint it again and again because your hands sweat and the paint comes off with water? No? Well, it's really hard. And now some reddish brown eyeshadow to create a tired deep eye effect, and some lighter brown on the rest of it just to create some dimension, you know? Now I'll use my blush, which is a light pink salmon color for the oh, by the way, I'm dead effect. I'm not sure why I got so many comments about dismembering myself, but I'll try it next time to see if it looks better. I like to use a black eyeshadow before the eyeliner because if I get it wrong, it's easier to fix. Yeah, sure, just give me a sharp knife, I'll do it. Black eyeliner downwards. I have a hollow grain brown highlighter and I like to use it in this cosplay. It comes out really great in the bluish purple skin. Lots of blush. It will work kind of as a contour. And now the tears. You can do however you like, really. I like mine to not be straight down, so it looks more natural. like to apply some purple eyeshadow over the tears to blur it a little bit so it's not like just straight black. Purple and black in the underline to hide the, yes, I have blood circulation color. And now the wine lipstick. I like to try and make it a little messy, but don't forget you're kind of making it, this is my funeral makeup, but you're the one getting buried. Okay, so this is the final makeup. Now I just need to put on the wig and the eye contacts, and I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Now that I'm blind, this is the full cosplay makeup. Of course I didn't paint my hands and arms because there was no need for it, but the process is the same. Blue paint, purple concealer, pancake powder. I hand painted all the details in this cosplay myself, such as the blood stains and the glass shards and stuff. The wig was also customized by me, but it's messy right now because I already used it in an event and also to take some pictures. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, if this can be called a tutorial. And I'll add a little montage of the pictures and more comments here in the end. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye!